Start with conversation now. Where is the check-in counter for Delta? It's over there on the left. How early should I arrive? At least 2 hours. Where is the security checkpoint? Go straight and turn right. Is my flight on time? Yes, it's on schedule. Can I bring water through security? Only bottle under 10. Where can I get a taxi outside? Where is the nearest restroom? Next to gate number 5. Where can I charge my phone? There are outlets near the. Can I upgrade to business class? Ask at the boarding. Where is baggage claim? It's on the first floor. I would like to open a saving account. Sure, please. What is the minimum deposit? $50. Can I get a debit card? Yes, it will be ready. Where is the ATM? Outside. Can I transfer money online? Yes, just register for online. What are your working hours? 9 to 5 p.m. Do you charge fees for withdrawals? No. How can I check my balance? Yes. Can I deposit a check here? Yes. Is it safe to leave a large amount here? Yes. Your money is protected. Do you have a room available for tonight? Yes, we have a few rooms. How much is one night? $80 per night. Is breakfast included? Yes, breakfast is included in the price. What time is checkout? 11 a.m. Can I pay by credit card? Yes, we accept all major credit. Do you have free Wi-Fi? Yes, Wi-Fi is free. Is there a shuttle to the airport? Yes. Can I see the room first? Sure. Do you offer wake up calls? Yes, just let us know. Where is the elevator? It is right to next. Where are the eggs in Alice 5? Do you have almond milk? Yes. How much is the bread? $2. Is there a discount today? Yes, for numbers. Can I pay with my phone? Yes, we accepted. Where is the self checkout? Next to Alice. Can I return this letter? Yes, within 7 days. Do you sell gift cards? Yes, at the front counter. Where is the exit? Straight ahead to your right. What time do you close? 9 p.m. Excuse me, how do I get to the subway station? Go straight. Is it far from here? No, it's about. Can you show me on the map? Sure. Which bus goes to the airport? Bus number 21. Where is the nearest ATM? It is next to convenience store. How long does it take to get there by taxi? About 15 minutes. Is this the right way to do museum? Yes. Can I walk there? Yes, it's only 10 minutes. Where is the taxi stand outside the main entrance? Is it safe to walk at night? Yes, but stay on Main Street. Where is the city museum? It's 2 blocks straight ahead. How much is the entrance fee? Adults pay $5, children pay $6. What time does it open? From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Are there guided tours? Yes. Can I take photos inside? Yes, but no flash photograph. Where is the nearest restroom? Near the main entrance. Is there a souvenir shop? Yes, next to. Can I buy ticket online? Yes, on the museum's website. Are pets allowed inside? No, pets are not allowed. Where is the reception desk? It's right inside the main entrance. How long is the waiting time? 30 minutes today. Can I make an appointment? Yes, you can book one online. Do you accept walk-ins? Yes, but it depends on the doctor's availability. Can I bring my insurance card? Yes, please show it. Do you have a pharmacy here? Yes, it on the. What should I do if my child is sick? You can see a. Where can I buy a ticket? How much is one way ticket? $2.50. Does this bus go downtown? Yes. When is the next train? 15 minutes. How many stop to the airport? Is it faster to take the subway? Yes. Can I bring a bike on the train? Yes, during off-peak hours. Is there a discount for student? Yes. Show your student ID. Where is the exit at the station? Follow the sign. Is the safe to travel at night? Yes. Train runs every 30 minutes. Can I see the menu please? Of course. What is today's special? It's grilled chicken. Is this dish spicy? Not. Can I have a glass of water? Sure, still. I would like to order now. Great. What? Can I have this to go? Yes. Can I change this side dish? Yes, you can choose fry and salads. Can I get some extra sauce? Sure, will be bring. How long will take for the food? 15 minutes. Do you want to grab coffee later? Yes. What time are you free? 3 p.m. Where should we meet? Cafe. Do you like tea or coffee? Prefer coffee, thanks. Can we invite Sahara too? Yes, I will call. What should we do after coffee? Maybe take walk. Should we bring snacks? No need. How long can we stay here until the cafe closes? Can we play boards game? Yes, they have few. Should we take some photos? Yes, it will be fun. Can you help me with his report? Sure, I can. When is the meeting? 10 a.m. Can I work from home tomorrow? Yes, just let HR know. Where is the printer? Near the coffee room. Can you send me the file? Yes, I will on mail. Who is charge of this project? Mr. Smith. Can I take a short break? Yes, just return in 15 minutes. When is the deadline? Next Friday. Can we reschedule the meeting? Yes. There is a coffee machine here. Yes. Can you explain this problem? Sure, let me show you step by step. When is the homework due? It's due tomorrow. Can I borrow a pen? Yes, here you go. Where is the library? Down. Can I ask a question? Yes. What is the next subject? Mathematics. Can I work with a partner? Yes, you can choose anyone. Is the test tomorrow? Yes, please prepare. Can I leave early today? Only if your parents approve. Hello, I need help with my order. Sure, can I have your order? I want to change my delivery address. Yes, please tell me. How long will shipping take? About 5 to 7 business days. I can cancel my order. Yes, as long as it I received my wrong item. Sorry. Can I speak to the manager? Yes, please hold a moment. This is number free charge. How do